Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a radio player plugin to WordPress. This is a great way to stream live radio, podcasts, or audio content directly on your website. On your WordPress dashboard, to install a radio plugin, click on Plugins on the left side of your dashboard. From there, just type radio in the plugin marketplace to search for available options. If you want more choices, you can upgrade your WordPress plan to unlock thousands of plugins. But if you are on a basic plan, just work with what is available. On the basic plan, choose the radio plugin you want to use. For example, we can select this one. To add the Quran radio plugin, simply add it. It is highly rated. Next, click Upgrade and Activate to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. Keep in mind that plugins require an active plan to work. If you already have one, just click Upgrade and Activate. Once that is done, install it so it is ready to use on your pages. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and that is all it takes to add a radio player plugin to your WordPress site.